Good morning, students. Welcome to your English period. Today we are going to read this rhyme, and we will finish our A sound words here. Okay, and then we will start with our new chapter. So please read with me. Put your finger on your book. The sun, THE, the SUN, sun, HAS, has, RAYS, rays. The sun has rays. IT, it. Is, a. HOT, hot. DAY, day. The sun has rays. It has a hot day. The sun has rays. It has a hot day. The hay is in the sun. The hay is in the sun. The the CAR, car, is far. FAR, far. IT, it. Is on. The way. The car is far. It is on the way. The tar, is on. The way. It is on the way. The tar is on the way. Okay, students, have you understand it? Okay, you have to read it again and again, and then we will discuss with it about it. Okay, now we will start our new topic, that is rhyming words. What? Rhyming words. Rhyming words means क्या होता है? जैसे हम गाते हैं तो हमें एक लास्ट में एक जैसा साउंड मिलता है ना, जब हम गाना गाते हैं तब, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड राइमिंग्स. मीन्स आखिरी में जब हम वर्ड बोलते हैं तो उसका साउंड एक जैसा आना चाहिए. फैट, कैट, सैट, मैट, टैट, इस सब में क्या हो रहा है? आपको साउंड एक जैसा मिल रहा है. फैट, कैट, लास्ट में आपका टी साउंड आ रहा है या आपको एक जैसा लग रहा है बोलने में. सी, आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द पैराग्राफ. मैच ईच पिक्चर टू इट्स सेंटेंस. Circle all the words in each sentence that rhyme. Rhyme करते हैं एक दूसरे से जो sentences in which in each sentence that rhyme with the name of the picture. पिक्चर के नेम के साथ जिनका राइमिंग होता है उन सेंटेंस उन पिक्चर्स को हमें सर्कल करना है. एक वर्ड को नहीं, 3-4 वर्ड भी होंगे जो राइम करते हैं, मतलब एक दूसरे की साउंड, उनकी लास्ट साउंड जो है वो एक जैसी आती है. आपको बोलने में गाना गाए टाइप का फीलिंग आता है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड राइमिंग. द एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ राइमिंग वर्ड इज़ टू फील लाइक अ राइम. ओके, सो डैन इज़ इन द वैन. अब डैन इज़ इन द वैन में डैन का राइमिंग वर्ड क्या है? वैन. डैन इज इन द वैन. पैम हैज़ अ कैन ऑफ जैम. सो हु इज द राइमिंग वर्ड ऑफ पैम? विच इज द राइमिंग वर्ड ऑफ पैम? पैम's rhyming word is jam. Pam has a can of jam. The bag has a tag. The bag has a tag. Bag. And the rhyming word of the bag is tag. Bag and tag. Dan and van. Pam and jam. Is there any rhyming? आपको पोएम जैसा लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है? Isn't it? Yes. A man with a fan is in the van. A man, circle it, then a fan is in the van. A man with a fan is in the van. Have you got it? These are the rhyming words of each other. Dan, van, Pam, jam, bag, tag, man, fan, van. Okay? Now, next exercise. Use the pictures as clues and fill in the blanks. Match with the rhyming words. Use the pictures as clues and these are the fills in the blanks match with the rhyming words. See, they have given us a help box to write here. Now we have to take clue from these pictures. Pat sat on the, what is this? Tag? No. Pan? No. What is this? Pad? Mat? Cap? What is this? It's a mat. Pat sat on the mat. Pat sat on the mat. The man has a pan. Man has a pan. It's a pan. Pam has a cap. Pam has a cap. My bag has a tag. My bag has a tag. Dan has a pad. Dan has a pad. So, Pat sat mat. The man has a pan. So, here are, which are the rhyming words? Pat, sat, mat. The man has a pan. These two are rhyming words. These three are rhyming words. Pam has a cap. My bag has a tag. Bag and tag. Dan has a pad. Dan has a pad. Here in these two are no rhyming words, but in these three we are seeing that there is some rhyming words. So this is the concept of rhyming words. I'll give you some exercises. We will do some exercises regarding this. If you have any query, we can discuss in Zoom class also. So students, bye bye for today.